Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download your maps to use them in offline mode in UNIHERTZ tank free. First, open Google Maps, then press on top right corner. Go to offline maps, and now you can select your map area to download it to use it in offline mode. Press on select your own map. Now you can zoom in or out or drag it to select a map. I will set it to Warsaw, Poland. Now we can see how much my free space on my device will be used to download this area, and click on download to proceed. How you can see, it's downloading right now. And now we can press on it to see if it's downloaded. Yes, it is. And it will be able to be used in offline mode when we don't have any internet connection. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.